Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of GN365 Trains, and today we're heading off to RAF Valley Airfield, and right next to that, ironically, is a railway line, and that's my favourite spot. And so, this is the first time you guys get to see that. I've been going to this place for over a few years now, and as I just said a second ago, it's the first time you guys are getting to see it. So, I hope this will be a great video for you all. And if you do enjoy this video, please give that big red button, yes, that one down there, a nice big smack. Click subscribe and like the video if you do enjoy this. So the camera I'll be using for this video is the Sony HX400V, equipped with a 42 wide conversion lens, and it looks really nice. Okay, let's go. One 107. One 175,006. Okay guys, we've come home for a little bit, for a little break. We've been having a break for about 15 minutes now, so in another 20 minutes we go back out to the same spot. So we're just having some lunch, so see you in 20 minutes. Okay, it's been 20 minutes, let's go. Okay, so we're on our way back to the airfield car park. This is my uncle, you haven't met him before. He's not much into trains like I am, he's more of the plane guy. He takes himself out with me for our enjoyment as two people together. Oh, and over here, that bridge right about there, you'll get to see what that looks like soon from up there. Favorite spot up there too. But yeah, we're going back over there today. Okay, we're here now. So this is a very cool spot to be in. Very chill, very relaxed. Awesome space. Very quiet too. So, just waiting for our first train now, and just waiting. It's gotta come anytime. Gotta come anytime. Okay, do you know what? I'm gonna have the thing off. Seems to distort the image too much. So yeah, I'm gonna have it off. Okay, let's get it on the tripod. And there we go. Okay, so we're back out here again. We've come back from our lunch break and the weather has seemed to got worse, but we'll have to make do. Everyone else is gone, so it's just me and my uncle still here. I think I hear a train horn, so better hurry up. Okay, to confirm what I just said before, I have heard a train horn. This is the second time I have heard it, but let's see which direction it comes from. I think it will be coming from this way, so let's just prepare and let's see what we get. $158,826. That was a class 158, folks. First great capture, and that was really impressive. That way. Remember to stop, look and listen. Beware of trains. Stay safe. Okay guys, I just got back. We had a lot of fun today. We saw 2 Class 67s. Here are the numbers of the 2 locomotives. And, very rare, we saw a Class 150. You usually see those only on the Wirral, but I've never seen one here. So, very good capture. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed this long video, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye!